If you want to remove slide LED numbers in LibreOffice Impress, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Slide numbers can be useful in some presentations, but if you want a cleaner look, a more professional layout, or you simply no longer need them, removing them takes just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off slide numbers across your entire presentation in LibreOffice Impress. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, you can go to the Create section on the left side and click Impress Presentation to begin a new slideshow. If you already have a presentation you want to edit, simply open that file instead. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where most of the formatting and layout tools are located in LibreOffice Impress. Now click Insert in the top menu. This menu contains options for adding different elements to your slides, including items like images, text, headers, footers, and slide information. From the Insert menu, choose Header and Footer. This will open the settings window where you can control what appears on your slides, including the slide number setting. Inside the Header and Footer window, look for the checkbox labeled Slide Number. If it is currently enabled, that means slide numbers are being shown on your presentation slides. To remove them, simply uncheck the slide number box. This is the key step that turns the numbering off. If your presentation also includes other footer items, you can leave those alone unless you want to remove them too. After unchecking slide number, the next step is very important. Click Apply to All. This makes sure the changes apply to every slide in the presentation instead of just the current one. If you skip this step, the slide numbers may only disappear from one slide, which can be confusing later. Applying the change to all slides ensures the presentation stays consistent from start to finish. Once you click Apply to All, LibreOffice Impress will update the entire file and remove the slide numbers automatically. You do not need to manually delete anything on each slide. That's what makes this method so quick and convenient, especially if your presentation has many slides. After the change is applied, you can scroll through your slides or start a slideshow to confirm that the numbers are gone. And that's it. Your slide numbers have now been removed from LibreOffice Impress. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And now you can keep your presentation clean and distraction-free. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.